Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play the Vita Mahjong app on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on Vita Mahjong app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on Label to start your game. Now you will see different boards layout like Classic, Turtle or Butterfly. Choose any layout you want and tap Start. The goal in Mahjong is simple. Match two identical tiles to make them disappear. To match tile, tap a tile, then tap another tile with the same pictures. Just see here, just like that. Tiles that are open on the left or right side are available to match. Your goal is to clear every tile on the board. Just keep matching pairs until the whole board is empty. If you make a wrong match, don't worry, nothing bad happens, just try another pair. If you can't find a match, use the tools at the bottom, hint, shuffle or undo. These tools help you finish level more easily. When you finish the level, you can earn stars or coins. You can use this to unlock new theme or any boards. And that's it. Now you know how to play a Vita Mahjong on phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.